about to eat a carrot. Yummy. You need to clean the carrot before you eat it. Yummy.
Is it good? Why are you making a funny face? Is it sweet?
Yes. Is it good, Mommy?
Mm-hmm. What is it, Jordan?
Some carrots.
Jordan, are you going to eat up all the carrots before anybody else can have some?
Yes.
That's not good.
I'm hungry. Carrots are healthy and good. Please.
One more, Jordan.
Yay! My carrot, Spider, not yours. Mine. Yeah. Mom, can you help me? The carrot got stuck in the ground.
All right, I'll be there in a second.
Oh, God.
Big brother to the rescue. Okay, so the top came off, and that's a good-sized carrot. That's why she can't get it out the ground. I got it. You want one, Jonathan?
Yeah.
All right,
You're
take
not gonna
one.
get the big one? It's a big one right there.
Not doing it. I already heard it seems crack.
Sweet. Want a bite, Daddy?
We're gonna dig up this potato since it's died and see if anything is if anything's under there. You think you can stop eating the carrot for 1 minute?
No. Never. No.
Careful. You gotta watch for potatoes.
Oh, Mom.
Ooh, look at the ants. That's not good.
Yay! And it's not eaten.
I'm surprised. See if there's anything else down there. Carefully move the stuff.
It's the top of a tomato. That's a big one.
Hold on. All right, I need 2 hands. Mm-hmm. It's good. I think that's it for over here, though. Not very much. Well, try and see.
Up as far as it goes, right?
No. Remember, that has to be that color.
You're eating a carrot at the same time.
I'm not gonna stop eating this carrot salad.
Hey, Jordan. Oh. Oh, I went ahead and stumbled into one.
What?
Aw.
Look!
Oh, big bug.
Where?
There!
Where?
No, you gotta look where the plant was, honey. Look where the plant was.
Plant was right here. Daddy, you might want to use the shovel.
I'm not bruising no tomatoes.
Oh, there's some little ones.
I told you this one might be our hope.
Is that one there? Wait, go back to where you just were. No. I thought there was another
Get
one.
off me. That spider.
Ah, look at the shape of that one.
Wait a second, let me see what it looks like.
It's a butt.
No,
It's a lopsided butt.
it's a duck.
Anything yet? Oop, there's one.
Get off of me, dang.
Two.
Little one. Little one.
Yeah, I'm talking about over there.
You didn't see that.
Huh?
You didn't see this.
We're taking that one out too, right?
Might as well.